Hello and welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. I have a lot of shirts here. I have something exciting I want to talk about. All of these shirts here have been done using scraps. Let me show you them, and then we are going to open a bag of scraps. And this is a pound of scraps for $15, and I will show you some of what you get in it. So, are you like me? And I have to save it. You spend money on it. So I save every little bit because I have made some little peppermints for my fingernails to decorate. And then here is another one out of the scraps that I made this shirt. I could actually make two shirts because I cut it in red and then I cut it in green, put it together, and I cut it so that way it would make those. You can slice it too. That's just an easy, fun way that I like to do that. So this one right here is, this one is done. It has glitter. Okay. And this one has glitter also. And this one I did with the soft metallic and glitter. I had a little strip, and so very fun, cute way to do. And of course, alright, this one I actually have the tutorial on our YouTube. Okay. And this one right here I did with the slanting. Alright, and these are on a tutorial for the rhinestone, to cut with the rhinestones. And then this is another piece that I had. That is the foam. This one I showed you two different ways that you could layer, because some things can't be layered. So I did that with the glitter, and then this one we use the knockout method, because with the Brilliant Chameleon you cannot layer it, so it needs to be in the knockout method, so that way it is touching the shirt. And then this is our printed vinyl pattern, Mermaid. We have several patterns of those. So before I open this up, let me show you another thing that you can do. The new thing is to use glitter confetti. You can make your own. You can have a little bitty piece. Take it off the carrier and you will cut it up. You can do long strips and then turn around and you could cut. Okay, and then there is your confetti that you can sprinkle on and press. Alright, and now move my mess out of the way and we will open this bag. Alright, so when you order this one on the website, this comes with a $6 shipping. So if I was to put one of the pounds of the scraps in there, and if I order a roll of vinyl, you're going to have your $8 shipping for this, but you are also going to have the $6 shipping on this. But if you are local, we have several out. Okay, we have a combination of, we have some adhesive vinyl in it, but it's mostly heat transfer vinyl. You have sheets, and let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this will work. 12, 13. 43 pieces of heat transfer vinyl. Some of them have some adhesive in them. We have more of the heat transfer in those. We are going to send you with patterns. Patterns they are going to be, they're all scraps. You're going to get some glitter, you're going to get some heat transfer vinyl, and some adhesive. All right, 43 pieces, and you can make a shirt out of pretty much all of them. That's our printed vinyl. And let me go ahead and tell you that, okay, if you are new, you're learning your machine and you pay for your vinyl, you mess it up. This is a good way to buy you a bag of vinyl, learn, cut, play with it, see how it works before you ruin your full sheets. On a Silhouette, you have a test button. Cricut, you can make your own if needed, so that way you don't waste your vinyl. But let me just show you a little tip, because we have a piece in here that is adhesive. This is the PSV. So if you're unsure about it, you are going to see if it has a carrier. Okay, this one has a carrier, this one's heat transfer. Okay, this one right here also has a carrier on the back, but this is adhesive glitter, and you would cut it. This one right here is one of our printed, these are our custom printed vinyl. Okay, you would not mirror these. You would put these down because you don't see a carrier sheet on these. You are going to print it pretty side up. You're not going to mirror, and you are going to take a clear piece, or if you've already pressed this, pulled this carrier off, you can use that carrier to pick it up off of that, and then you can press it. Okay, because this is not your carrier, this is the backing. It will not have the carrier on it, therefore, because we custom print these. All right, and let's see. So you have HTV, you can make confetti, you can make nail art, or you can do little details, save it, put it in a bag, so that way you can see that you can make stuff out of your scraps. $15 for 43 of these, and there's not one here that you cannot make a shirt with the sheet on it. Alright guys, if you have any other questions, feel free to comment below and I will answer them for you. Have a great day.